Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 814158. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer, and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Corsair 750D. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. This is Windows 8.1 booting up on a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Corsair H80i liquid cooling unit, cooling an Intel Core i7-4770K processor. Beside that you have 8GB of 1600 MHz RAM, and for your graphics card you selected the Asus Nvidia Geforce GTX 760. All your components have been installed on an MSI Z87-G45 gaming motherboard. For cable sleeving, in this computer you selected individually sleeved red cables, and for lighting you selected the NZXT Hue lighting system. Powering your system is a Corsair TX650, and for storage you selected a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. We've upgraded you to Western Digital Caviar Blue. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, your headphone and mic jack, and your reset button. Below that we have your NZXT Hue lighting system control panel. You can add or take away a color to lighting in your system by turning these to the right or left, and by pressing on these you can toggle the brightness, power, and the mode. And below that we have your DVD writer. Taking a look at the back of the computer, starting from the top, you have 2 USB 2.0 ports, PS2, clear CMOS, optical out, DVI and VGA, 2 USB 3.0 ports, Ethernet, 2 more USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, and your various audio jacks. And below that we have 2 DVI ports, HDMI, and display for your graphics card. Now when plugging in your monitor, please do not use the ports on your motherboard. You want to use the ports below on your graphics card. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, you'll see your 1TB hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 8.1 is your operating system. For your processor, you selected the Intel Core i7-4770K, and 8GB of RAM is installed for memory. In Device Manager, you'll see your Nvidia Geforce GTX 760. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.